Ever wondered how AI models are made more efficient? One word: prompt engineering. Yes, you heard it right. Prompt engineering is the new buzzword in the world of artificial intelligence. It's an exciting, rapidly evolving discipline that focuses on optimizing and developing prompts for language models. These prompts enhance the performance of these models in various tasks, making them more efficient and precise. But what does it mean to be a prompt engineer? It's not just about crafting high-quality prompts. It's about understanding the intricacies of natural language processing, developing critical thinking abilities, and honing analytical expertise. It's about collaborating with AI researchers to refine model results and influence AI behavior and output quality. It's about shaping the very interactions we have with AI. So you see, prompt engineering isn't just an art form, it's a crucial aspect of improving outputs of large language models like GPT-4. But now you might wonder, how exactly does prompt engineering work? Let's dive in. Think of prompt engineering like a conversation. It's all about asking the right questions. Just as you would steer a dialogue with strategic queries, prompt engineering guides an AI's output. It's a delicate dance between the art of language and the science of machine learning. Imagine you're at a party, trying to draw out an intriguing story from a stranger. You wouldn't start with a yes or no question, would you? Instead, you'd ask something open-ended, something that invites them to share their experiences, thoughts, or feelings. That's the artistry of prompt engineering. It's about crafting questions that invite the AI to think more deeply, to generate more nuanced and useful responses. But this isn't just art, there's a science to it as well. You need to understand how the AI thinks, how it processes language and information, and how it learns from past prompts. Just as you would adjust your questions based on a person's responses, a good prompt engineer adjusts the prompts based on the AI's output. And here's where critical thinking and analytical skills come into play. As a prompt engineer, you need to be able to analyze the AI's responses, identify patterns, and pinpoint areas where the prompts can be refined. It's a process of continual learning and adjustment, a feedback loop between the engineer and the AI. So we see that prompt engineering is a delicate balance of art and science. It's about understanding the rules of language and the mechanics of AI and then bending those rules to guide the AI towards more meaningful output. It's about learning to ask the right questions and then learning to adjust those questions based on the responses you get. So, we've seen that asking the right questions is crucial, but how do we know which question is the right one? The answer to that, dear listeners, lies in the fascinating field of natural language processing, a topic we'll delve into in the next scene. Imagine trying to have a conversation with someone who doesn't speak your language. Pretty difficult, right? That's where natural language processing comes in. Natural language processing, or NLP for short, is like a linguistic bridge that connects humans and machines. It's the key tool for prompt engineers, the maestros who compose the prompts that guide AI models like GPT-4. But what's so special about NLP, and why is it so crucial in the realm of AI? Think of NLP as the grammar teacher for our AI models. It's the discipline that helps machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's all about breaking down language barriers, making it possible for us to converse with machines as if they were fellow humans. Intriguing, isn't it? But it's not just about teaching machines to understand words and sentences. NLP also helps them grasp the context, the sentiments, the nuances that make our language so beautifully complex. It's about helping machines read between the lines, understand sarcasm, and even detect emotions. It's about making communication with AI as natural and intuitive as possible. This is where the deep understanding of NLP comes into play for prompt engineers. They use NLP to craft high-quality prompts, ensuring that the AI models they guide can understand and respond to a wide variety of human inputs. They use NLP to refine the model's outputs, making the AI's responses more accurate, relevant, and contextually aware. In essence, NLP is the secret sauce that makes AI models more human-like in their interactions. It's the compass that guides prompt engineers in their quest to create AI models that can converse, create, and even think like humans. It's the key that unlocks the true potential of AI, making it a powerful tool for innovation, creativity, and problem-solving. So, we've understood the importance of NLP, but how does it all come together in a real-world scenario? Let's take a look at an example. Suppose we're working with a language model like GPT-4. Now imagine you're a prompt engineer. Your task is to guide this AI model to generate meaningful and relevant responses. It's like you're a conductor, orchestrating a symphony of words and ideas. Consider a scenario where the AI model needs to answer a question like, "What is the capital of France?" It may seem simple enough, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This is where your skills as a prompt engineer come into play. You create a prompt, in this case, the question itself, and feed it to the model. The AI model, like an eager student, processes this prompt and generates a response. But what if the question is more complex, like, "Give a brief history of the Eiffel Tower"? Here, the role of a prompt engineer becomes even more critical. You must craft a prompt that guides the AI model to generate a concise, coherent, and informative response touching all the key points of the Eiffel Tower's history. This is where the collaboration between AI researchers and prompt engineers shines. As a prompt engineer, you work with AI researchers to refine the model's results. You analyze the output, identify areas of improvement, and tweak the prompts accordingly. This continuous process of iteration and refinement helps in training the model to generate better outputs over time. Moreover, prompt engineering is not just about improving the output quality, it's also about influencing the AI's behavior. By carefully crafting the prompts, you can guide the AI to generate responses that are not just accurate and informative, but also ethical and unbiased. This can be particularly important in applications like chatbots, where the AI's responses can have a significant impact on the user's experience. And that, in a nutshell, is how prompt engineering helps boost efficiency in AI models. So, we've seen how prompt engineering is more than just an art form. It's a crucial aspect of improving AI outputs. We've delved into the art and science of crafting high-quality prompts and the critical role natural language processing plays in this process. We've seen prompt engineering in action, refining model results and shaping the behavior and output quality of generative AI models like GPT-4. It's clear that prompt engineers are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, collaborating with AI researchers to bring us closer to seamless interactions with AI. Their unique blend of creativity, critical thinking, and analytical expertise is what makes this field both challenging and exciting. If you found this intriguing, I encourage you to delve deeper, to learn more about this rapidly evolving discipline. It's not just about understanding AI, it's about shaping its future. Because remember, every conversation with an AI starts with a prompt. So, here's to the prompt engineers who help us ask the right questions. Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.